Welcome back. In earlier lectures, we understood how to start your own process ID namespace, mount namespaces from the parent namespace. Now, what we will do is we will run a process in a separate PID namespace and mount namespace, and then we will see how to enter into the child namespace from parent namespace. Very interesting one. Let us see how to do it. First, I'll start a namespace. As we know, sudo unshare hyphen p. I want to start a PID namespace or PID namespace hyphen m. I want to actually create an unshared mount namespace, and I also want to fork bash. And then we also will use dash dash mount dash proc. We know what this mount proc will do. It will create a mount namespace and will mount the proc file system. And whenever we are using dash dash mount proc, we don't need to use dash m option because already mount proc will create a mount namespace. Okay, so this started a process called as bash in this new namespace. Let us see lsns. So what is the PID namespace? It is ending with 290. In the parent namespace on the right terminal, I am still in the parent namespace lsns. See the PID namespace, it is ending with 836. Here the PID namespace is ending with 290. What is the mount namespace? 289. Here it is 840. Rest all are same. C group is 835. Here also 835. User namespace is 837. Here also it is 837. Only PID namespace and mount namespace are different. Fine. Now this is a child. This is a child process bash and it is running in its own namespace. From the parent, let us see how to enter into the child namespace. The command is ns enter. Oh, before entering any namespace, we need to get the process ID first. So ps-a. I want to enter the namespace where this bash is running. So what is the PID? 9821. So I want to enter the namespace of this particular process. Sudo ns enter hyphen. Which namespace you want to enter? I want to enter into p namespace. And if I want to enter into mount namespace, I can use dash m. Or if I want to enter into all namespaces, I will use dash a. Then I want my terminal to be attached to the child terminal, the child process terminal dash t. Then the PID of the process 9821. That's all. Now see, I entered into child namespace. Suppose if I do ls now, it lists the directories of root slash. We are in the root. Suppose in the child namespace, if I say ls slash, is it the same? Yes. Suppose if I do touch 111.txt, a file will be created. In which directory? Slash home slash Sivaprasad. Let us ls here slash home slash Sivaprasad. Is this 111.txt present? Yes. Now here again I will do ls ns. Am I in the same namespace or the PID namespace 290 ending with 290? Mount namespace 289. This is also 289. So by using ns enter command, we entered into another namespace of a particular process. That's all. I'll see you in next lecture.